Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Ralph Show on Wednesday, January 27th. And today is Celebrity Call-In Day. And we have a celebrity on the line. And I'm going to go right to the phone. I want to find out who is on the Celebrity Call-In.
Ralph, it's Tweety Bird. Hi.
Wait a minute, I gotta think of this Tweety Bird. From the cartoon? With Sylvester, the cat? Is that you, Tweety?
Yeah, that's me, Ralph.
Wow, you're still alive. I would have thought Sylvester would have gotten you and ate you by now. How did you survive all these years? You must be getting pretty old.
Yeah, but, I live with Granny's son, Jacob. Granny's not alive anymore, but she gave me to her son. And Sylvester's still alive, Ralph. Can you believe it? And he's still up to his old tricks. He's always trying to get me, Ralph.
You two are definitely a pair. You say Granny died? How long ago?
Oh, it's been a long time. Must be like 18 years, Ralph.
And is Sylvester as aggressive as he always used to be?
Now he slows down. Instead of trying to get me like multiple times every day, he maybe once a week, when I'm out of the cage, he'll try to grab me. But I always keep an eye on him. I know what he's up to.
Wow, that is so funny. So, Granny's son kept Sylvester, obviously.
Yeah, he is kind of lovable. He has two sides. When he's around people, he's really, really nice and friendly, but he wants to eat me. It's a revenge thing, because I always got all the attention from Granny. And every time she caught him trying to get me, she used to beat him up. Remember?
Yeah, I do. I used to watch you and on that show all the time. I thought that was funny. That was one of my best cartoons. Can you still fly?
Yeah, I can. I can go up and down. I can't go horizontal very far. I just land on the floor or land on something, and if he tries to get me, I can go up in the air and over to the cage.
And you still have the same cage?
No, I got a bigger cage. Many years ago, Granny got me a roomier cage so I could move around easier.
Oh. Well, that was really an eye-opener. I'm so happy you called. I hope you called someday again, because I always liked you. And tell Sylvester that I said hello. All right? And I'll be back after this break.